take a 3-1 lead. That's some real shit right there. So congratulations. You know what else that meant is that our crew had to stay until 3 in the morning the other night to tear all of this down and then show up again at 3 in the morning the next night, last night, to put it all back up. So I was like, man, them hurricanes, they better fucking win. And they did, and when I came in today, we came in and we saw some of the crew and production and lighting and video and stage and audio, and I said, man, that must have been real tough. This one guy called Gomez, Gomez, who just became a grandfather for the first time about 10 days ago. But not only are we a family up here, it's such a badass family, because when I said, hey, I'm sorry you guys had to, I don't envy you having to do that, you know. He said, fucking bring it on, man, that's what we do. So thank you, Gomez. Thank you, crew.